So this morning I'm going to be loading on some signpost, and then we're going to be installing signs in the system. We got about 70 miles of trails to take care of. So we'll have 2 trucks and a tractor. The tractor's got the post hole digger on it. My truck, I'll carry the post, and the truck coming behind me will have the signs, and the guys in the truck behind me will be installing signs. I will be mainly installing posts, and there'll be 2 guys in each truck, 1 guy in the tractor. He actually sent me told me in a message. I'll look at it in a minute. I think we need more than we need. Always. We need to get more than we need.
Yeah. Just shy. I'm guessing.
I think that looks pretty good, don't you?
One more out of it. One more. I'll get one more.
Yeah, it's probably a good time to lock the hubs. So Art and I went up by 4 Mile Road and installed some direction signs where our system meets with Ross Commons, and now we're putting some road signs on at 93 by Hanson Hills and waiting for the other crew to meet us here.
Bye.
Pardon me?
Oh, I found it. What did I do? Screwdriver.
Oh, one right here.
Make sure.
Here we are just west of the airport at Polack Bridge Road. I'll probably massacre the names of these roads, putting up some directional signs. The orange signs are directional signs.
Just go here.
Yep. Is this where the Donner Snowmobile party starved that winter?
Yeah.
This is where Trail 7 goes back behind Tinker's, I think Tinker's Junction you call it. And it starts on 93 and goes to 72. Not only are we putting in signs, but we're picking up brush and branches and stuff off the trail as we go along. Here I'm heading north from the parking lot on at 72 west of town. This is Trail 7. We'll go up here to the junction of 79 where we'll put in a bunch of direction signs, and then we'll head north on 79. I'm trying out my new magnetic mount by sticking it to the roof of my truck. I found out it was very noisy out in the wind like that. Here you can turn right and go back behind the airport and take 7 up to Frederick, or you can turn left, take 79 up to 679 back to Frederick Q7 and go north on 7 to Gaylord. Probably goes a lot farther north than that.
Stop. There's a couple cars behind us. Or a truck and a SUV or a ATV. So what? Looks like they're doing it.
You see that blue thing on the tree?
Yeah.
Right there?
What about it?
This is the Michigan Riding Hiking Trail. This is the trail they ride all the way across the state on.
Riding with what?
Horses.
Oh, with horses. Okay. Gotcha.
But it's known as the Michigan Riding Hiking Trail.
Okay.
So there's a camp here at Goose Creek. You've seen that camp before, right?
Yeah, I put her.
Yeah, we usually camp there a couple days when you're going across the state.
Yeah.
So the ride that I took, you ride for 2 days and then you camp overnight. I mean, you camp every night, but you camp and take a day off, in other words.
Yeah.
Ride 2 days, take a day off. Ride 2 days, take a day off. This might be kind of boring, but it's just a kind of a nice ride through the woods so you can see what we do. We work all year round on the trails, taking care of them. This day we started around 9:30 and I think I got home close to 5 o'clock. I think we're going to need to come in here and grade this again.
At least top dressing something.
zooming now, by golly. Yeah, he said he wants to widen this area here. You're gonna need a new set of tires to keep this up.
My F-350 really didn't like the sandy conditions, the real hard tires for carrying weight. They'd sunk in the sand. Somebody made a Halloween face on that, didn't they?
Looks like it.
Somebody had used a
Got the marker up.
someone had used a marker to mark that confidence marker up. It looked like a jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, it definitely needs to be dragged. We need to drag it again. I agree with you. If we get an opportunity. First, we got all month.
I would say probably right after deer season, just before, 1st of December.
Yeah.
If it hasn't snowed and frozen in and everything.
Wow, they're really.
Wasn't as bad as I thought.
You got it.
We're just a short distance from the Frederick Trailhead parking lot, just west of Frederick, a few miles. She sure is loose, though. Just crossed 612 going north. Next road will be Manistee River Road. Yeah, we're almost in Manistee River Road, I would say. Getting close. After all the years coming through here with the trees in here, then you come through when they've taken the trees out. It's like you don't recognize it at all.
Yeah. Got to reorient your brain.
Here Keith is pushing a tree back that was getting ready to fall across the trail. I didn't think that was going to work. He did
yeah.
good.
Oh yeah, and you get them high. I do that with my tractor too.
Oh yeah, that's because he's by the well.
Okay.
So yeah, it's oil well tractor. Oops.
The well inspector.
What you can't see, there was a pickup truck beside one of the oil wells there. Originally, I kind of thought it was a hunter until I realized it was somebody working on the well.
I think he's going to put in a sign. Nope. It's going to rest.
I'm surprised there's not something there, an arrow or something. This is where Trail 47 begins and intersects with Trail 7 east of the high school. Looks like we got some posts here already. I got a camera in one hand and a tamping post in the other. Post hole digger and training.
Gotta come this. Should be over here. Alright. That way you want back? No, you're good right there.
Sitting in the tractor, it's hard to tell what angle your auger's on. I think we found a rock. Pipeline, oh, that's good.
That's a gas line, don't worry about it.
Yeah, piece of cake. They're usually made of plastic. No problemo. Sophomore humor. We're very careful not to damage any utilities.
We gotta go back up forever. Take the signs down.
Oh. Okay, we're pretty well done signing for now. And put the signs back in their home. So, thanks for watching. Getting the trails ready for you. And it won't be long and we'll have snow. Because it is November already. Matter of fact, today's my 76th birthday. So happy birthday to me.